Everybody, it's Christy here with Christy's Craft Room. Welcome to my craft room. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a super cute, super simple, easy burlap rose using just this piece of 4-inch burlap ribbon. You can use 5-inch ribbon as well. It just might be a little bit larger, but it'll work just as well. I got this at Michael's. You can get it at any of your craft stores, Amazon, lots of places sell burlap ribbon like this. I'm also going to use a pair of scissors and a hot glue gun, and that is it, guys. Super simple. I will show you here. This is what it is going to look like when it is done. Right here is one of the burlap roses that I made, and then here is another one. If you like this craft, the blog will be coming later today, so that will be available for you very soon. So first thing you guys are going to do, all you're going to do, you're going to fold your ribbon in half, just like that, and then you're going to tie a knot very close to the end. You want your knot to be as close to the end as you can keep it, just like that, okay? And if you have some frayed ends like that, you can just trim them off. You're not going to see it, so you'll end up with a knot like that at the end of your ribbon. So now what we're going to do, we're going to hold our ribbon like this. Make sure that your ribbon stays folded in half. First thing we're going to do, this knot is going to become the center of our rose. So we're just going to glue our ribbon right here to our knot. Just a little dot of glue. I like to use my low temp glue for this so I don't burn my fingers. You could also use the little finger protectors that they sell. Alright, now keeping your ribbon folded in half, you're just going to twist once and then twice. And then you're going to bring it around and glue it to your knot. Just like that. And then we're going to do that again, making sure it stays folded in half. Twist and twist, bring it around, another dot of hot glue, and we're just going to keep repeating this process, guys, making sure this stays folded in half. Twist and twist, and then glue it. Super easy, super simple. You can use these roses for so many different crafts. It's great for a farmhouse look, a rustic look. Goes well with the shabby chic look. You can use it for so many applications. And it's so much less expensive than going to the store and having to buy pre-made roses. Alright, so we're just continuing the process, guys. Just that step just repeats itself. Once you get that twist, and glue step figured out, you are good to go. Twist, twist, bring it around, and glue it. So easy, guys. So easy. And they sell ribbon like this, the burlap ribbon, in so many different colors. So many colors. So experiment a little bit. Have some fun with it. Buy some different colors, make some different colors. You could do a whole wreath of roses like this. Alright, now when you get to the end, I'm going to do one last twist. Actually, I think I'm good with it there. So you got this end. What do you do with the end? First off, I'm going to trim off some of that little frayed, messy end. Get rid of that so we have a clean end. I'm going to flip my rose over. I'm going to put some hot glue on the back here. And I'm just going to take that piece and I'm just going to fold it over in the back and glue it down. Just like that. Trim off any little extra pieces that are sticking out. And there you have a pretty little burlap rose. You could make this as big or as small as you want. I started with a 24-inch piece of ribbon, 24 inches long. If you had a longer piece, you could continue to go around and it would just get fuller and fuller and fuller. If you wanted a little tiny small one, you could start with a smaller piece of ribbon. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you like this craft, definitely check out the other videos and tutorials I have on my Facebook page, Christy's Craft Room, and you can also go to christyscraftroom.com to see all my blog posts, which is where this craft, where we used the roses, will have a full tutorial there for you. Alright, so you guys have a great day. Thanks for joining, and I hope you enjoyed our burlap rose.